Begin by downloading the seeder from our website, which will be provided as a zip file. Once downloaded, extract this file and open the folder. Double-click on seederdesktop.x to launch. It takes about 30 seconds to initialize the seeder, the framework, the database, and all other necessary services. Once operational, the control panel will appear, displaying the status of various services. From here, you can stop or restart the seeder as needed. Opening the framework will load the applications currently listed in the seeder. Note that this may take a moment. Clicking on any application link will automatically open it. Accessing the seeder UI is straightforward. Simply open seeder and log in. Once logged in, you will have access to all modules, including the interface builder. To create a new application, click on the plus icon. For instance, let's create an application called KS Academy. The system automatically populates the project ID and main page name, but you can adjust these manually. You can also choose a framework version, enter the framework URL, and provide a username and password if required. If you wish to integrate a backend model into your application, you can select from previously listed models or add a new one. If you decide against adding a backend model at this time, simply click Create. After a brief loading period, the KS Academy project will appear, ready for development. To manage your applications, return to the Analogic page. Here you can view your application and, if needed, navigate back to the Seeder Interface Builder, where you can also delete your app.